introduction. I hand over you to our media. I think all the televisions are here, radio, print media, and they will want to ask some questions. And then I think they also want to do pictures with you. Depois, quando a conferência remata, a cara que sai foto. Recordação do senador Pacquiao. Muito bela.
First of all, I would like to thank the President for the warm welcome and to all the staff and to all of you, the media, for this warm welcome. This is my first time in Timor-Leste, and we appreciated your accommodation and warm welcome to us. I'm so thankful that this is my first time to be here. I'm so happy that I experienced to be here in your country, and I hope that this is not the last. And I'm planning also to promote a boxing match here and also put up a business. Thank you.
The three questions that the media just made, and I'm going to try to
Yeah, you can.
First is, what is your objective meeting with the President and what you discussed? And second of all is, have you met with the Timorese boxing? If you have met all the team, then what suggestion or advice you give it to them so that they can follow your pathway?
Okay, what we talk about, discuss with the President is our experience in the past and his experience in Manila, and also for boxers, I'm going to visit to boxing gym today and give some tip about techniques or plan for boxers. That's what I can contribute to the boxing boxers here in Timor-Leste.
So what is your impression visiting first time in Timor-Leste?
And I invite Senator Pacquiao to return to Timor-Leste, maybe November 28 or next year, whenever he can.
May 20.
May 20. So November 28, which is Independence Day, or May 20 next year, Restoration in Independence Day, where I would award Senator Pacquiao, great fighter, representing Filipino people, with the Order of Timor-Leste. And then the senator will, when return, as he said, will bring some boxers to come. And for Timor, where is Joel? Joel, come here. And the senator will bring Filipino boxers, and the presidency deploy Joel to fight. Primeiro, Pacquiao não é conhecido no mundo, infatti todo o mundo conhece, e Timor-Leste jovem conhece. E é importante a minha visita, primeiro, né, para animar o desporto boxing em Timor-Leste, né, que é específico, jovem Bara gosta de ir, né. Segundo, promove o desporto em geral. Terceiro, admite lutar em relação people to people, filipinos ou Timor-Leste. Que relação antiga, cleurona, povo filipino, se sempre apoia então. Timor-Leste, o que dá, o lugar estuda as Filipinas, actos racing, portanto, nação católica, rua, importante ali, e a Ásia, Timor-Leste ou Filipinas. E há uma visita oficial, visita de Estado, 9, 10, 11 de novembro. Ya, portanto, Ronia, senadornia visita, seria nós contribuímos a atrair a atenção e a Filipinas, mas Timor e a região asiática, que todo conhece. Yeah.
I would like to take a picture with you as a group, and if you don't mind.
Yeah.
So, estou a ver, e a escada não é, né, cara? Então, vai a escada, how ali que vai. They say, I don't need to go. They want to picture with you, not with me.